It's just gonna go whee, and then the back's gonna flick out on us. So I just gotta take it a little slower on those 90 degrees. Like that one. Don't break on a turn, Ben. What the fuck are you doing?
What is happening here?
That Porsche, we left him in the dust behind us.
What
It's just
the?
this Turbo S that is pretty fucking fast on the straights.
Can I be honest? It looks hella good though. Look at this. Is this a Swedish fish? Raspberry gummy fish. Real work, real food, real promise. I don't even know how much it is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god. Fuck. Ah. I told you I don't know how to use a coffee machine. Why nobody told me to put the big coffee? Oh my god. Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, second delay. Okay, it's not that bad. I'm reading chat, what the fuck? 8 Mississippi, 8 second delays, guys, 8 second delays. I didn't lock the room and Knut just went in there. Yeah, why the hell is he there? I read that. Tell him don't touch my underwears, okay? Knut, don't touch my underwear. If you're gonna sell it, share the profit with me. Like, do I have to go and run? I know. Is he still inside of there?
When I find it, I'll get it to you. I think it's in my suitcase.
Okay, okay. Okay. Let me know. Just text me in Kakao.
I don't need to see my Pokemon bloomers.
Okay. Just text me. I will come get it. Yup. Okay, let's go back. Oh my god. He found some toys. Knut! Yes, wait, this is better.
Go to the right of it. You're looking up the east river.
Welcome to the freedom.
Take 4 pictures. Take a look.
And if you have this another bridge right behind it, which is the but that first one.
Yo te la tiro, mamá.
I licked it.
Mamá, ahorita.
Do you want me to take one?
Huh?
Do you want me to take one for you?
Oh wow! I licked the Liberty. It tastes sweet as hell. That's the taste of a freedom, guys. Oh my god!
Sorry, excuse me. Thank you. Really play well.
Sorry.
Wait, hold on. Alright, there we go.
We record. We're recording. We'll take photo.
I look like a badass.
It's in neutral. I think you can rev it.
Little bit, step.
Will he let you?
Can I?
Seems cool.
Just a little bit.
You have a full responsibility, kiddo.
Oh, let me ask him. I want to make sure. 'Cause
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
How much is this car if I break it down?
You're not brake. Just a little bit. Test. In drive first. D.
go into D and then you're in neutral, so go ahead, give it some pep. Go ahead.
One.
Well, no, I don't know. Give me 1 second. Still in inventory? Give me 1 second. I'm checking. Damn, I didn't use my Amazon account because I don't have an Amazon Prime. I use Jay's account. Glad it's going to the roof. Got it, though. I just have to get my package and.
Ja. Get down, bend your knees. Or just send it straight out. Yeah. Yes. Keep going, send him out. Come on. Fly. Nice, just like that. Nice.
Two to the body, two to the head, two to the body, two to the head.
Nice. Set it right here. Right here.
I don't know there.
No, just like this.
You can just do that?
Yeah, do it. Yeah. Now, David. Now, one here, one here.
Yes, big body, body,
Nice.
head, body, body, head, head.
Nice.
Yes.
Just like that. Nice. Hell yeah.
Jab.
Just like
Nice.
that.
Nice jab. Nice
Now
jab.
do the opposite. Go to the
Yeah,
head
now go
first.
head, body. Nice, just like that.
You can drive over there and park it. I'm not going to make space for myself there.
You really think I'm only gonna drive 0.5 miles?
Do it. Wait till I move the camera. What kind of fucking big bug is that?
That's a real bug.
Huh? Dude.
That's a real
She's moving the car closer.
Yeah. Oh, she is.
Yeah. I said I didn't care. So.
There you go. Move it. She can park it next to the.
Yeah.
Just like, don't do that in the town. I was gonna say, don't do that in town. Because it's they don't like that. A little off right now because it's dirty, but it looks so pretty. It looks soft, and it's just, you know, you don't tell him what you want. He just does it.
Oh.
So he's like, I feel like this today. So
Holy cow, holy. Yeah. Anyways, welcome guys, welcome. Drop the follow for all the 4 of us channel. We're gonna roll till guys. You know, you go to the certain places, you get more viewers, you stream certain things, you get more viewers, sometimes you don't get more viewers. That's a part of life. But what am I gonna do? Am I gonna not stream because I don't have a lot of viewers? Not really. I still gotta do what you gotta do. So, anyways, I appreciate everybody being here, and welcome to America, Austin. How's my feet? Feet is good, but I'm gonna reveal my feet later, guys. Yeah. Free feet. You guys want to see me in Turkey again? Yeah, I think I'm gonna come back because I really wanted to spend more time with other streamers there. I only had time to hang out with Hype, but Jare also invited us to Antalya, which I really wanted to be there. So I think it's gonna happen, guys. Hi Mokoto, what's up Burj? What's up Burj? Anyways, welcome guys. I'm gonna go work out, so stop calling me. How many farms do you think you have eaten so far? Like a farm size?
Maybe 2.
2 farms.
There's a lot of chickens in a farm.
I have one question. Have you ever had a nightmare of a chicken? Like they're coming to you and like you and it entire my country. And he's like not trying to stretch.
Where did you pull that out of?
Okay.
He came over here to hide.
Yeah, I had to come out and like looking for him.
We're just here.
Who else comes? I'll get everything
I can do that.
And then
Yeah.
you're doing the car stuff.
Yes.
Have you gotten set up with buddy Calvin? Calvin Motorsports?
No.
You did a set, so you did a red.
He has 2 cars there that we're going to drive. Austin Martin, Dalton.
Oh shit. Oh man. This is my upper body workout.
Good. A friend of mine is Antonio Calvin. And he has Calvin Motorsports. It's not far from here, but I should connect you guys with him.
That's a great start, big guy. Making it look easy.
Yeah. It feels heavy. At least at the end.
It looks easy. You're only turning 7 colors of purple.
Classic. You're dying soon.
I thought you were gonna explode. Yeah.
That känns Woo.
Oh my god. Should I take my shoes off?
You can take them off.
Yeah, I would say because you have too much cushion on those shoes, and you want to be flat.
I haven't taken mine. That is normal in water.
Yeah. Kind of interesting to think about though, but because a lot of people think that North Korea hates South Korea, but actually that's not the case. North Korea hates America. Because like during that civil war, America bombarded North Korea territory. Okay. So they are actually scared of United States a lot. So they use South Korea to kind of threaten US. So it's not
in the US.
Yeah, so South Korea is a pretty good card to play for them to threaten US, because if you see those they have the education system that they describe America as the most evil country.
North Korea.
Yeah, because like they have that nightmare from back then that they used more bombs during the Civil War. America used more bombs during the Civil War to North Korea than they did on World War II. They like completely just like